Assalamu alaikum viewers, Subha Bakhair. Today I will show you how you can create a spotlight video in Canva. Before I start my video, subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos. Let's start. Click on videos, select the dimension. And first of all, you need an image. I have selected this image. I will put this image in description or in my first comment so that you can use the same image in your video. Reduce the time and go to next. Select the shape, adjust it. Change the color to black. Select another shape of circle. Make it smaller and centralized like this. This is in center. Now download this image PNG. Only the second page, done and download. As it downloads, we will again upload it. Go to upload. Upload the file, PNG image. Read this one. Come to first page. Place it over. Remove background. Expand to the whole video first. Okay, like this. Duplicate this page. Reduce the transparency like this up to this, and duplicate the page. Again duplicate the page. Now move this. Go to second page. Now come to third page. Like this. Transition, match and move. Increase the time to 1.5 and 1.2. Check it. Now again match and move 1.2. Okay, now we have to add some music. Go to upload. I have some audio already. Adjust the volume. Click on feed and add 0.7 second. Reduce it. It's copyright protected, so we will replace it. Click track. We will use this one. Always use the fade one so that it will give a good outro effect 0.6. Okay, like this. And now we will write name here at a heading. Write a name. Mm, Tina, change the color. Third one. Now come to the second page. Set the timing. Animate. I will choose this one and give the effect. All of three the same effect. Okay. So timing. Element timing. And we will match the timing. Look. Now download. You can download it. Hope you will like my video. If you like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz till my next video.